Wally, where are you going? Stop! Don't you dare run away from me!
Come back! We all forgive. Don't worry, my friend. Hey, we'll build a new one.
I get water in my ears. What do I do?
Well, if you hop 10 times on one foot and 15 times on the other, you'll, get dizzy.
Dalam sepiku